Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. Today we're just going to do a post review and something that I ordered, and also last time I showed you a stamp that I bought of a gnome and I made a little card, so I wanted to share that with you also. So, well, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Okay, so let's begin. Now this one I got from Amazon, and it's under DIY 5D diamond painting, and they called it a flower cow full drill round. Okay, and I finished it. It took me 2 days. Okay, you believe I finished it? Yay! Well, anyway, she's absolutely beautiful. She's actually known as a Highland Scottish cow, and they originated from the Scottish Highlands, and they usually have long horns and shaggy coat. And they can actually withstand low temperatures. So you could also find them in Norway and in Canada. Okay, so I bought this beautiful painting from Amazon for $7.99, guys. And it's 12 by 16 inches and 30 by 40 centimeters. Okay. And then the item number is DP0009. And I got it from, the seller is LRILLMAING. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. But anyway, it came with 25 colors. Actually, the drills were very nice, guys. I had very little trash. So I was very impressed. Lots of drills are left. I have them in this little container. And I have lots of drills left, guys. So let's see. See, got that one. Anyway, I have all of them. I have leftovers. So I really enjoyed it. She's absolutely beautiful. She's got beautiful shaggy hair, and I think these are her ears, and these are the beautiful flowers that she has on her head. So I would recommend her. I really enjoyed her. I'm trying to see if you can see how shiny she is. She's actually very shiny. What I'll do is, let's see, I'll bring her up. But the further you go, the better you can see the cow. I don't know if you can see her, but this is her nostrils, and this is her little mouth here. She's got like a little chin hair. She's got like me, little chin hair. Okay, so let's move this away now. That beautiful cow. And so I ordered some cover minders from Vivian, my friend. She's from Diamonds Around You, and she sells them on Instagram. So you have to send her a message and you can contact her through that. And she also has a YouTube channel called Diamonds Around You. So go check her out, guys. Anyway, let's see what I ordered. It's been a while, so I have no idea what I ordered, guys. I can't even remember. But she has a really cool cover minders. Okay, so she sent me a little card. It says thank you. No, thank you. Ooh, stickers. I love stickers. Hi, Sylvia. Thank you so much for ordering these cover minders that I hope you'll love, just like me making them. Enjoy a few freebies. Who doesn't like a few freebies? Thank you, Vivian. Love the card. Okay, so let's see. She knows I like Starbucks, and I love Snoopy. So it goes little Snoopy with the little umbrella and the Starbucks coffee. I like my vanilla latte. Moonbucks at coffee. Moonbucks coffee. Another Starbucks. I love the colors on this one. And Snoopy again. Snoopy looks like he's going camping. And here he's resting. That's like me today. I took a nap. I told my husband, don't let me sleep too long, and I slept for 2 hours, guys. I think I was just tired. And here's Snoopy playing baseball, which I like playing baseball or softball. And here's Snoopy again with his little friend, and he's got a cool outfit on. Okay, very nice. Let's move these over here. All right, and she's got candy for grandma. Okay, where is my bowl, by the way, guys? Huh, actually it's over here. Oy, oy, oy. I still have a couple of candies in here, so I'm gonna put them in there and grandma can have them. All right, we're gonna need a pair of scissors. Let's see. Oh, here's another Starbucks. Starburst candy. She wrapped them individually. Cute paper, vellum paper. Ooh, I ordered these because I like the, I think these are like, I call them dragon eggs. That's what they remind me of. But here's one. Isn't that cool? Look at the color, guys. Very cool. And it's got a magnet in the back. So let's put that one here so you can see it. Okay, that one goes aside. So today, guys, is officially the first day of summer. Yep. Okay, this is another dragon egg. I think I ordered 3. I can't remember. Oh, wow. I love this one because these are my colors, guys. The blues and the greens. Isn't that pretty? I love it. That's beautiful, actually. Okay. Trying to figure out which one is the other dragon egg. Maybe this one? I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. It's like a mystery. It's a mystery, guys. Come on. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is the... You'll see. Just get it out of here. This little plastic bags are giving me a hard time. Wow, I love this one. Wow. Look at that, guys. It's a kitty cat with a little dragonfly. I don't know if that's a dragonfly there. Wow, but look at the sparkles on that. That's gorgeous. Love this one, guys. Oh, okay. Let's not do that. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's put that there. Let's keep them separated. Looks like the magnet came off of that one. It's okay. I'll glue it back together. No problem. Okay, this is the other dragon egg. It reminds me of the Game of Thrones. The dragons. See? How pretty? Love the colors. Let's put this one in the middle. Okay. Let's see what else I got. To tell you the truth, it's like I don't remember what I ordered. I know I did tell her about the 3 eggs. Let's see what this is. Ooh. This one is a beautiful swan. If you're working on, I think there was a Swan Lake diamond painting. Look at how precious. That is gorgeous. This I actually love. I love them all, but wow, look at that. Look at the sparkle on that. You guys know by now that I love bling. I was actually thinking of adding some bling to that cow, the Highland Scottish cow painting. But then I said, nah, just leave it alone. Because once I start, I can't stop. Okay, this one, oh, I love them all, guys. Look at this one. It's a ballerina. And look at her dress. Oh my gosh, I love this one. And she's holding up a diamond. Oh my gosh. That one I know I did order. Okay. Let's see what this one is, guys. If I can get it open. It's a butterfly, because I love butterflies. Wow, look at this. Look at the antennae. Look how beautiful. In red. That's very, very sparkly. I love sparkles. So I don't know if I mentioned to you guys that I had to get a bigger magnetic board. So I gave the smaller one to Olivia. And now I have no idea where I'm going to put it because it's so big. Looks like a board from school. That's how big it is. And I put all my color minders on it, and it looks empty. It still looks empty. Maybe I'll take a picture and I'll show it to you guys. Okay, this one actually this is not a ballerina. This is an angel. Oh, sorry. Okay, look at her legs. Look how beautiful her wings and her dress and her legs. They I don't know if you can see it, but they move. That's gorgeous. Okay. Wow. I went cover minder crazy, didn't I? Yes, I did. Okay, this one is, I think she sent me this one. Thank you, Vivian. This one must be a freebie. skeletons, or 2 skulls, always and forever. That's me and my hubby. Pretty color. Okay, and one more. I'm trying to do this as fast because I don't want to make the video too long, guys. Oh, there's 2 in here. All right, these are the last 2. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. This is the hedgehog, guys, with the little flower. Oh my gosh, look at that. Is he not the cutest? Oh my gosh. And then this one is, oh, she sent me this one. This must be a freebie. Thank you, Vivian, I appreciate you. And this is a cutest little polar bear. It's a little polar bear with a red scarf. Look how cute he is. Oh my gosh, I love all my cover minders. Thank you so much. Oh, okay, let's move this over here. I have lots of little trash here. Ooh, be careful, there's magnets here, Sylvia, don't lose them. I need those magnets. Put those magnets over there. Let's clean up here a little bit so I can show you very quickly my card. Let's put this over here. Let's move this over here. Okay. All right. Do you remember that I bought this beautiful stamp of a gnome in a little beehive? Okay. So I decided to make a card, a fun card, guys. So it says Honeybee Day, and then I stamped some bees, and I added some stickles, and I used markers. Okay, and then I basically put double tape on this, so it's, see that? So it's not flat, it's not laying flat, it's popped up. And on the inside, just cut some white paper. I added more bees, and I wrote buzz. And I also did some stickles and some glitter markers, and that's it. And I also add ink on the around the paper. Just give a character, and that's it. That's all I wanted to share. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. This is Honeybee Day. All right, so that's about it, guys. That's about it. Let's move everything over here so you can see everything again. And my beautiful cow. I don't think my cow is gonna fit in here. Oh, oops, hedgehog. They keep fighting. Let's move this over here. Can you see that? Well, anyway, that's about it, guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.